Hello everyone, I am Chef Munir El Hilali, co-owner of Crepes Parfait. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Moroccan spring rolls. It's very aromatic, very delicious. Let me show you how to do that. We need 1 pound of ground meat. I'm using ground turkey, but you can also use ground beef. Spring roll wrappers, 4 chopped garlic cloves, 1 small yellow onion chopped very fine, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon cumin, 4 eggs, 1 cup chopped parsley, 1 cup chopped cilantro, salt, and fresh ground black pepper. Put the meat in a stainless steel bowl, then add the cilantro, parsley, chopped garlic, chopped onion, all the spices, salt, a little bit of fresh ground black pepper. Then mix everything together very well. In a large pot, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. If you're using ground beef, it has enough fat, so it doesn't need that much oil. Just 1 teaspoon is more than enough. Add the meat, then using a potato masher, mash the meat, break it into small pieces as it cooks. Keep cooking until all the juices evaporate and some pieces start to stick to the bottom of the pot. Let them caramelize a little bit. Then add 1/4 cup of water and deglaze the bottom of the pot, scraping the bottom very well. Turn the heat off. Crack the eggs and add them to a bowl. When cracking eggs, try to avoid cracking them on the side of the bowl. Always crack them on a hard, flat surface. A cleaner egg without shells. Twist the eggs very well to combine. Then slowly pour the egg mix into the meat while stirring to combine.
Why your kitchen smell good? Like you know how to cook. You smell amazing. What is that? Why are you putting eggs inside the... Never mind.
And save a little bit of egg in the bowl. Take the spring roll wrappers out of the package and make sure you cover them with a towel so they don't dry out. Take 1 spring roll wrapper, brush the top with that egg wash that we saved. Take 1 heaping spoon of the filling, put it on the lower end of the wrapper, roll over, then pull it towards you to make it tight. Fold the sides in, brush the top again with some egg wash, and then roll towards the top. Make it nice and tight. Place it on a baking sheet with the seam facing down. Then you can either fry them, or to keep it on the low calorie side, you can bake them. Just spray them with some cooking oil and bake them at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Give them a little dusting of powdered sugar and a little dusting of cinnamon. And there they are, Moroccan spring rolls. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, because there is more coming.